Ano ba yung common mistake ng tao pagdating sa pagpili naman ng kulay?
Naku, kadalasan talaga. Naku, talaga naman. Ipagpiyok ng gano'n Siyempre, pag hindi ka kumuha ng professional,
Yes.
ayan, medyo dyan ka nang malulost. So, what we tend to do is, may favorite color tayo. Tapos, compact yung bahay. Tapos, ang liit ng bahay, ng kwarto mo. Favorite color mo, red. So, pinapinturahan mo buong red. Pagdating ng time na yon, parang, red na red yung ano mo kasi favorite color mo, ganon? Hindi pwedeng ganon kasi merong perfect balance in everything. So, you can have your color, the desired color, na pleasing to your eye, pero you balance it out. How do you do that? You do wall accents. It's either for the red, you get the perfect shade of red. Not naman yung red na very striking.
Yes,
and
yung
not
red na
naman
red.
yung red na ang init. Hindi rin naman pwede yung neon na kung ano-anong mga, yung talagang sobrang masakit sa mata.
Oo, masakit sa mata.
So, there are other reds na shades ng red, yung mga burgundy, yung mga ganun. Medyo ito-tone down mo, ganon. Or pastel-y. Yan. So, yan yung perfect. But, since you have a small room, more or less, go for neutrals dun sa buong room. And then, put in a pop of color for all of your decors. Your bed sheets can be red. Your rug, your pillows. It will still be pleasing to your eye kasi you are seeing every time yung favorite color mo. But, you toned it down.